Doing an unboxing of the Retrospec drome version 2 I got for a really good deal on Amazon. I think, yeah. Everything's in one piece. Looks fine. It's really cheap components on it. I was really just after the frame. So, yeah. So, it came with all of this stuff. Platform pedals. Really large ones, which is cool as far. They seem really, good ones too. It came with a freaking chain guard. I haven't seen one of these in like 15 years. Came with it, free of charge. Tools, cheap ass tools, but these work in a pinch, I guess. If not only once. But if you need them in a pinch, you only need them one time, hopefully. This is weird ass Allen wrench. Look at that thing. It's double sided. And my cat just knocked it over. But there's only a couple things certain in life, and that's one of them. But this frame is beautiful. The contrast, all these parts on it are cheap but functional. I mean, really cheap but functional. But look at that. The thing is crisp. The frame, the carbon fork is intact. This is a little cheap. I'm gonna be putting I've got all my tools out. Carbon fiber, blah blah blahs. FSA brakes. I'm gonna replace Walgo cage pedals. Gonna put some ultralight toughies on there. And got the Sigma ATS Pure 1 ATS because I was tired of fiddling with a million different settings and not enjoying my ride. This seat is not gonna last long, but yeah, like I said, for the frame is really sexy, so I'll take a quick video. I'll wrap this up with a final thought and how it looks with the parts I do have that I'm upgrading. I got a chain ring there too I'm gonna put on, but yep. So I think this bike is the shit actually for the price. It's got a taper head tube. This carbon fork is cheap as fuck, but it's solid. I've seen nothing wrong with the bike, aside from it being really cheap parts. I love this contrast of the glossy on the matte. It's nice. My logo pedals on there. This is a sticker. There's a few stickers. Front. My FSA brakes. And yeah, I just gotta put the oh, and side note, the cog. Yeah, I'm a freewheel bitch. It's decent. It's actually really nice. Chain tension a little too much for way too much actually. I mean that's so I gotta do that. Minor adjustments, get it tightened back up and I'll be ready to ride. Put my cog on there. Should be good. Thank you.